This is the Homewood area of Pittsburgh. I grew up in this area. I still live in this area. You go from seeing the community when you're younger under a different lens, then as you get older, you see things develop and change. It means a lot that First Commonwealth is known for wanting to be community-oriented.
So the relationship between First Commonwealth Bank and Rebuilding Together Pittsburgh is a really natural partnership. We're all about community banking and serving the communities that we live and work in, and Rebuilding Together Pittsburgh is all about helping communities improve their housing stock so that families can live in their homes for years to come.
We're experiencing a period of economic growth and transformation that even a decade ago, I think a lot of people didn't think was possible. Part of what we can do is to position the homeowners we serve to participate in that recovery and to be a part of that story and not be excluded from it. We got funding from First Commonwealth Bank to do houses across the neighborhood. We do a lot of work to see that issues in a home are addressed in a way that homeowners are healthier and safer in the homes they live in and be able to have an asset that they can leave to their families.
When you make those kinds of changes at a very basic level for a family, you've not just done something for somebody, you've helped transform what they see into a different reality. You transform their lives.
As an employee at First Commonwealth Bank, it makes you feel warm to be a part of that. It touches you in a way that makes you feel like you're a part of something that's bigger than yourself.